Hi, my name is Emil and I'm streaming from the north part of Germany. I spoke a lot about AI agents and about vibe coding with my swim coach. I told him about this week on Kaggle and he had an idea. He would like that we develop for him a swimming plan smart coach. And we did this. We had a few iterations with him. His name is Christian, and Christian was delighted to use the app for his trainings. And also other swim coaches are using it a lot. Let's show you what this app can do. So, the app has a library with all possible exercises, and also the coaches are able to put some new exercises. So there is a part with warmups, with main section of the swim training, and also there is a cool down section. Also, we use the knowledge that we got in this training, vibe coding, and we implemented AI coach. So our trainers are able to create a new plans, just dictating what the plan should be done. So create a cool down training plan immediate after competition. So as you can see, coach is using different stuffs which we learned in this week in vibe coding sessions. Also, Validator agent has been implemented, and in a couple of seconds there is going to be created a new plan. As you can see, Coach Assistant used MCP server to retrieve the templates from the swim plans, swim exercises also, and that also have been verified. After that, just replace active plan and the plan is going to be shown here. What is also great, those plans can be exported, different roles have been implemented, and also this can be shared between coaches. So that's the app which we developed after 5 days intensive course on Kaggle. My coach is happy with that, and I'm very happy and thrilled to learn great stuff from this course, and I'm very glad to attend the next one. Nice done. Nice job done. Thank you very much for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye.